Welcome you all again to this wonderful Facebook Live series called as Ask the Doctor on this Eye Glow Day. Well, Indus Viva's Eye Glow is first of its kind product in India, which is specifically designed to condition your beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. Well, as you all know that this is a COVID-19 era which is going on right now. Well, during this COVID-19 period, skin is also a vulnerable organ which can be affected. This is what the current research is actually telling across the world. The dermatologists across the world are of the opinion that there are some latent symptoms of COVID-19 which can be seen on the skin. For example, there are a lot of symptoms which the doctors are actually telling now post the COVID-19 infections. See, first and the foremost thing is widespread of some red color bumps and multiple flat red patches. These are called as the maculopapular eruptions, which are associated with serious COVID-19 infections. This can also happen. Along with that, redness in the below the eyes as well as above the eyes on the eyelids can also be seen. Conjunctivitis is also another problem which is seen later in the disease. Rashes, mainly the rashes associated with multi-system inflammatory syndromes in children is also seen sometimes. This is because of immune system overdrive that triggers an inflammation of the heart and blood vessels, resulting in blood clots and symptoms of shock. So these are some of the symptoms, especially on the skin so far as the COVID-19 is concerned. As you all know, my dear friends, skin is the largest organ of the human body. It is the largest organ of the human body. It is also a protecting organ for the human body. See, it is a protecting organ. See, everybody, we have dresses these days. I am also wearing a blazer now. All these are things which are protecting the skin. But as such, skin is a protective organ. In fact, skin, not only, whenever you see your skin, probably you might think it's a very, very thin layer. No, it is actually a very, very big physiology which is involved. Skin is actually the largest organ of the human body. Normally, the skin will protect you against the invading microorganisms. It may be a foreign body as well. But the utmost duty is to protect the skin these days. Because nowadays, we are exposed to a lot of pollutants outside, a lot of contaminants we are exposed to, which can cause a lot of damage to the skin. So the intrinsic mechanisms of the body are becoming weak these days. That is the reason why we need to consume a lot of dietary supplements, which are wellness supplements in nature, which can protect our skins. This is how the skin health and wellness is actually maintained. And Indus Viva has in fact launched this wonderful product in the skin wellness segment called as Eye Glow, which is otherwise called as a holistic skin health segment product, my dear friends. Holistic skin health product, which means that it is a complete product from head till the toe, wherever your skin is all about. So normally, it is always important to wear all the protective gadgets or the protective gears during the coronavirus time. It might be your gloves, it might be the masks, it might be the use of sanitizers as well. So these things are all fabric in nature. Most of them are synthetic in nature. All these things can in fact cause a lot of problems. In fact, most of the people who are, in India also now we can see a lot of nitrile gloves being used, rubber gloves which are used, different, the masks which are used. See, these are actually avoiding our skin from getting exposed to sunlight. This is another important point that all of the people who are watching this should understand. Human skin requires a lot of sunlight, which contains the natural source of vitamin D. See, normally vitamin D is very important for the skin as well as the bone health as well. Because of the covering of these things, your body is not getting enough vitamin D. That is the reason why dermatologists are also pressing the concept these days that people's vitamin D levels are getting down. See, normally the vitamin D is absorbed through your skin. Finally, it reaches your bones and joints. So whenever sufficient vitamin D is not absorbed through your skin, so automatically your bone health is also getting deteriorated. That is the reason why people are resorting to a lot of vitamin D supplements these days. So these are all the side effects which are affected, because of the use of these protective gears. See, we don't consider all these things. People are staying back at houses without getting themselves exposed to the sunlight for months together now. So we don't know right now. So probably after 2 or 3 years, the people will get to know that their bones are becoming brittle. Osteoporosis is increasing a lot because your body is not exposed to sunlight. So these are all some of the side effects of this coronavirus or the corona era together, which is causing problems on the skin, my dear friends. So as you all know that iGlow is a wonderful product which is a holistic skin health support. It is an oral product. We call this as an internal cosmetic or a nutri cosmetic product which will provide you the best of the best holistic skin support or the holistic skin health, my dear friends. So normally the iGlow is always associated with beauty. So beauty is something beyond. Whenever you look into the chemistry of beauty, so probably people are always talking about beauty in terms of photographs or beauty in terms of the films or the movies and so on and so forth. Medically speaking, beauty is something which is beneath and beyond your skin. This is what is the medical terminology for beauty is. It is something which is beneath and beyond your skin. That is where the importance of iGlow starts. Suppose if you are using a cosmetic, suppose if you are using a cream or a fairness cream or a serum or whatever it is for that matter. These are all taking care of your external beauty. But medically speaking, as I told you, beauty is always something which is beneath and beyond your skin surface. So, and when that beauty is established, then only that beauty is called as an undeniable beauty. That which someone cannot deny. That is what is exactly called as undeniable beauty. So an iGlow is a wonderful nutri cosmetic product. It's a wonderful internal cosmetic product for that matter, which will enhance the beauty as well. So the medical beauty, what I am trying to talk to you all about. So in general, if I have to say this, whenever your skin health is normal, automatically you are called as a beautiful person. This is what exactly it can be correlated. Whenever the skin health is proper, whenever you establish a holistic skin health, so automatically your beauty is established. So this is what is the whole philosophy of iGlow as well, my dear friends. So going ahead, as you all know that the alcohol content which is present in the sanitizers, so which is mandatory these days. In fact, people in the government authorities are also showing the advertisements most of the times. People are also following this, and it should be followed during this vulnerable time as well. We need to use a lot of sanitizers because to sanitize ourselves, and these sanitizers contain a lot of chemicals, my dear friends, because this is very much important to kill the virus. So because a substance like alcohol or acetone or spirit for that matter is very much required for killing these harmful bacteria and the virus, which is very much important for us today. But at the same point of time, these synthetic chemicals are causing a lot of skin damage, which people have to understand. So it has become a habit these days. Suppose if you have a sanitizer bottle in front of you, irrespective you have coronavirus around you or not, people have started using it. You just apply to your hand just for the feel. You know, the cold nature of the alcohol, when once it touches the skin, people always are becoming habitual to that. So this is how the exposure to these hazardous chemicals are becoming more these days. It is vulnerable. You have to use it. It is very important to be used whenever you are going outside or coming back to your house. It is very much use to sterilize yourself as well as the materials that you have brought with you. But at the same point of time, you should understand the harmful effects of these chemicals on the skin. The most important, two important aspects where the skin is affected, one is excessive dry skin. The second is excessive oily skin. Whenever the skin is excessively dry, it causes a lot of skin diseases. Whenever the skin is excessively oily, it also leads to a lot of skin diseases. These are the two major reasons for the manifestation of skin diseases, my dear friends. So, in this regard, iGlow is a wonderful product, a holistic skin health support which can balance the dry and oil skin ratio. Suppose whenever we're talking about cholesterol, right, we talk about balancing of the HDL and LDL ratio, the good and the bad fat. Similarly, whenever we are speaking about the skin or whenever you are promoting the product outside, you should tell this particular sentence to people. iGlow is a wonderful product which can bring a harmony between dry skin and the oily skin. It maintains a balance between dry and the oily skin. See, oil is also very important because your skin oil always helps you to protect against various elements. but that oil is nothing but your sebum. We call this as a sebum. The oil content in the skin should not increase a lot, which will lead to a lot of pimples and other issues. Similarly, excessive dry skin will lead to a lot of other skin diseases like psoriasis. Psoriasis is one such, the autoimmune disease that we call, wherein dry skin conditions are seen a lot. A lot of flaking of the skin is seen. Another important skin disease which normally people neglect, but you can see it regularly in your daily life. You yourself might have it actually. You can examine this later on. Whenever you see your legs below your knee joint, below your knee, whenever you are having a look at your legs, you see the skin of your leg. There will be a lot of cracks on the legs. It might be because of cold season sometimes when the skin dries up. Second thing, there is a disease called as ichthyosis. Your skin actually resembles the fish skin, the scales of a fish. We call this as a fishy scales. This is one thing that people will not observe. Regularly you can observe it. Below your knee joint, your skin will have scales of a fish. Very much, typical format will be there. This is also a regular skin disease that the people are actually suffering from. This is also caused because of excessive drying. Similarly, on the palms and soles also, a lot of drying issues are happening these days because of the excessive use of the alcohol containing sanitizers, my dear friends. I hope the importance of skin health issues during the current scenario, I hope everybody who is watching this have got the point now. This is how the promotion of a wonderful product like iGlow has to happen in the market, because this is not a topical cosmetic. This is an internal cosmetic or a nutri-cosmetic product. There is a segment called as nutri-cosmetics, wherein the product are designed especially for the skin health, the nail health and the hair health. But at Indus Viva, we are only concentrating about the skin health, my dear friends. In general, nutri-cosmetics are nothing but addition of nutrition along with herbal extracts put together. It is called as nutri-cosmetics. I hope my points are clear to everybody. So, the most important ingredient in the nutri-cosmetic segment, especially our iGlow, is called as a saffron. Saffron is one of the most important ingredient which is sourced from the Kashmir Valley, and it is a wonderful cosmetic ingredient as well, which is dating back to the period of Ayurveda. Known for skin moisturizing benefits, it is also known for repairing the skin and rejuvenating the skin. The stigmas of saffron are normally used for making these products. In fact, saffron is a wonderful ingredient which is recognized by the government of India, especially the Kashmir saffron, as the most premium saffron which is available in the world. And the government of India has given this a geographical indication tag. We call this as a GI tag, which says that it is the most premium ingredient which is available on this planet so far as its quality is concerned. Not only this, saffron also contains a wonderful antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, which will help in reducing the dermatitis, the pain which occurs in the skin, or the swelling which occurs in the skin, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So along with this, saffron also contains wonderful healing and soothing properties. It actually heals and soothes your skin. Apart from saffron, iGlow also contains a wonderful ingredient called as the natural plant collagen. In fact, natural plant collagen is one of the most innovative patented technologies that we are using, because normally the collagen is present in your skin. The collagen is normally a structure, it's a protein. The structure of the collagen, when it is tight, your skin will also remain tight. So whenever the level of the collagen reduces, the skin health also comes down. So what we thought was, while the formulation of iGlow was happening, we have included this natural plant collagen so that whenever you are consuming this product, it will help building the collagen network in your skin, which will definitely improve the health of your skin. It will make your skin more flexible and elastic in nature. This is what is the most important thing about the natural plant collagen. Along with this, it also reduces the appearance of skin dullness and dark spots as well. So the third important thing, we have an ingredient called as a grape seed extract, which means that everybody knows what grapes are. We have used the grapes the skin of the grapes and the seed of the grapes, and we have taken an important natural element called as the resveratrol. Resveratrol is a wonderful antioxidant. This wonderful antioxidant of resveratrol effectively hydrates the skin. It gives you healthier and radiant complexion. Along with this, the product also contains the goodness of kojic acid. Kojic acid has nothing to do with your normal acids. Normally, whenever the people hear the word acid, you think about so many other things. But kojic acid is a wonderful ingredient which is derived from the seaweeds. This kojic acid is an ingredient which protects your skin against the sun damage. Normally the skin is exposed to sun, but as I told you, these days people are sitting back at their homes, they are not exposed to the sun actually. But even in the future, whenever you are coming out and exposed to yourself to the sun, this kojic acid is an element which will protect your skin against the sun damage. It also helps in reducing the dark spots. It also contains the goodness of licorice extract. Licorice is also called as sweet root. In fact, licorice contains a lot of natural compounds called as glabridin. This glabridin helps controls excess oil in the skin, my dear friends. This is very, very important. As I told you before, excessive dryness is one part of it, excessive oiliness is the other part of it. So, this particular licorice controls excess oil in the skin so that your skin will have the harmony or the balance between the dryness and the oiliness. That is what is the most important thing about eye glow, is to bring about a homeostasis between the dry and the oily skin. Along with this, it also contains the goodness of the lutein extract. Lutein is actually derived from the marigold flowers. In fact, this lutein is known for skin hydration and elasticity. It also contains the goodness of the natural coenzyme Q10. In fact, this coenzyme Q10 is a natural source that we are using. We are sourcing it from the seaweeds. This coenzyme Q10 is beneficial for providing the skin energy. One thing is important, your whole body might look energized, but at the same point of time, your skin also should get the energy. Normally the body looks energized, but the skin will not have energy. Normally if you see the bodybuilders, whenever they are working out a lot, they restrain from salt, sugar and water. You can see them, the 6 packs, the 8 packs, everything will be there. But look at their skin, because they are devoid of salt, water and sugar. They restrain from all these elements, electrolytes, by which the body will be shown outside. At the same point of time, the skin dullness can be seen in them. You can just observe it once. Except some people usually apply oil to get rid of their dry skin issues. You can see the bodybuilders applying oil, only the shining part of the skin is seen. But actually if you look at their skin, it is scientifically proven that this is very, very, all these restraining from the electrolytes will lead to dryness of the skin. So why I am telling you this is, your body might be energized, but your skin energy is also important, because you cannot see other organs which are present in your body. Can you? Definitely not. But you can see this wonderful organ which is seen on your face, your hands, wherever it is. That is nothing but your largest organ, which is skin, and the skin also requires very good energy. That is the reason why natural CoQ10 will give you the best of the best energy to the skin, and this natural CoQ10 is derived from the seaweeds. So, along with this, eye glow also contains a wonderful ingredient which everybody knows, called as the papaya, papita or the papaya as it is called. Botanically, we identify this as the carica papaya, fruits of papaya. Papaya is a wonderful fruit for skin health benefits. Papaya not only has the other health benefits, it also specifically has the skin health benefits. In fact, papaya contains a lot of nutrition. So it contains around fibers of 7%. It contains lots of vitamin C, vitamin A and folates. It also contains minerals like the potassium, magnesium and calcium. In fact, papaya is known to fight cancers. It helps lose weight. It reduces acne, which is nothing but pimples and burns. It relieves your toothaches. It also regulates the menstrual cycles in women. It treats your eye conditions or the eye diseases like macular degeneration. It boosts the digestive health. It improves immunity and heart health. It is also effective against the intestinal worms. So, one important thing that people could ask here. See, papaya and pregnancy. See, one important thing, medical reason is also there, that pregnant women especially are avoiding papaya fruits. Especially during the first trimester, first 3 months, they might avoid these fruits of papaya because it can induce abortions. That is what the science says. But I would like to tell you one thing, my dear friends. We have used the extracts of papaya here. So even pregnant women can take this, there is no issue. So the portion in papaya which is actually causing problems is not there in the product iGlow. Only papaya portion or the extract which is useful for the skin health is only added here. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So not only this, it has a lot of important uses on the skin as well. It clears the pigmentation of the skin. Pigmentation can be hyperpigmentation or hypopigmentation. It is a wonderful skin moisturizing ingredient. It rejuvenates your skin. So because it contains a lot of carotenoids, it contains coloring elements, like papaya is usually orange in color. It contains a lot of carotenoids, which are nothing but the antioxidants which can fight the free radical damage in your skin. It also helps in the management of eczema and psoriasis. It also controls the acne or the pimples. It also helps in the controlling of the vitiligo or the white patches. These are some of the areas where papaya is actually useful for the skin problems. Not only this, it hydrates your skin, which is nothing but it moisturizes your skin. It brightens the skin complexion. It keeps anti-aging at bay. It reduces the acne and pimples. It also nourishes your skin. I hope the points are clear to you. So this is how papaya is beneficial for the whole body as well as for the skin health also. Well, as you all know, my dear friends, iGlow is a wonderful product which is beneficial for skin lightening, anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, skin moisturizing. It reduces the dark spots. It reduces the blemishes. It gives you a radiant complexion. Skin damage control can be prevented. Skin rejuvenation. It rejuvenates the whole skin. It detoxifies your liver. It purifies your blood as well. So whenever the blood is purified, whenever the liver is detoxified, automatically your skin health also improves a lot. This is how this wonderful product iGlow is helping for the holistic skin health support. In fact, iGlow is a wonderful product for all the skin types. Maybe it is dry skin, oily skin or combination skin. It is good for all the tones of the skin, like the light tone or the dark tone. It is suitable for men, women as well as kids above 6 years of age. Kids below 6 years of age should not use iGlow. For better results, I would like to suggest one sachet of iGlow in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and one sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the dinner. It should be after the food, it should not be before the food. If it is taken before the food, the benefits will be very less. Because normally the NutriCosmetic product should be consumed 15 minutes after the food, so the absorption, the solubility of the product is enhanced. So it can be taken for a longer duration without worrying much about the side effects. It can be taken as an adjuvant with other medications and cosmetics safely for longer duration. I hope my points are clear to you, my dear Vivites. So thank you so much for your patient participation. So this is a question answer time. So today my colleague Mr. Karthik has collected the questions for me. So let me take up the questions. As I regularly repeat, there is a link which is appearing at the bottom of the chat box. Please click the link, enter your email ID and the phone number along with your name. Please send us your questions, because most of the questions on the live cannot be answered. So there is a link which is appearing. So after you send the question along with your email ID, we can reply you back on your email itself. My team will reply you back on the email. I hope my point is clear to you. So the first question that I am taking here is from Mr. Varalakshmi Bonagiri. Can I suggest iGlow for pigmentation problems? Yes, even for both hypo and hyperpigmentation, the ingredients which are present in iGlow are definitely helping us out. The next question is by Ms. Rajakumari. For urticaria patient, which product to be used? Urticaria, friends, is nothing but itching. It is itching. It is also called as eosinophilia. When the eosinophils in the blood increase, we call this condition as urticaria. So you can, I could definitely suggest you to use both iPulse and iGlow in this condition, both the products. The next question is by Mr. Sujit. How to give results for atopic dermatitis patients? See, atopic dermatitis is nothing but eczema. You can definitely suggest iGlow and iPulse in this condition. iPulse must be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. whereas eye glow is 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the food. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Mohammed Abdul. Is eye glow useful for eczema? As I told you, atopic dermatitis is nothing but eczema. You can definitely use 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the food. So the next question is by Mr. Arvind. Only our skin problems. Only our skin glows. Okay, if I can take up Mr. Arvind's question now. Skin glows when we use the product. If stop product, let me try to modify this question a bit. Mr. Arvind is asking me a question like this. If you're watching this, if we are continuously using eye glow, will the skin glow remain? If I stop the product, will the skin glow reduce? This is what the question is. Nothing like that, Mr. Arvind. You can use the product at least for a minimum period of 3 months. Maximum it can be used as long as desired. Eye glow is a wonderful antioxidant product which will keep up your holistic skin health, the complete body skin health support. It is not only the glow that we are looking into, we are actually looking into the complete skin health properties here. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Mr. Sakina. My friend has pigmentation marks. She used eye glow for the last 4 months. The results are reducing. How can I use this? Ms. Sakina, I would like to tell you that you have to use eye glow only in the night times. Don't use it in the day times. Only in the nights. 1 sachet 15 minutes after dinner would be sufficient. Please continue in this way at least for a minimum period of 6 months. This will reduce the problem. So the next question is by Mr. Shriram. Is it eye glow used for chicken pox spots? How it works for the problem? See, normally chicken pox is a viral disease. After the disease goes, the spots are remaining. Definitely you can use this because it is also a pigmentation issue actually. I would suggest you to use 2 times in a day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the night, 15 minutes after breakfast and 15 minutes after dinner. So the next question is by Mr. Paidakula. So how eye glow works on pimples? See, normally pimples will happen because of increase in the sebum levels, and basically it happens because of a bacteria called as P. acnes. So eye glow will act on the P. acnes as well as reducing the oily content of the skin, by which the acne or the pimples will reduce. The next question is by Mr. Sheikh Salim. One of my customer using eye glow since 20 days. Pimples are increasing. Please suggest. I would like to tell you to keep the skin dry by applying some of the simple face powders so that the excess oiliness of the skin can be reduced immediately. So during the course itself, you can continue using the eye glow. I would also suggest you to consume around 3.5 to 4 liters of water on a daily basis to reduce this problem. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Mr. Vamshi Krishna. To remove stretch marks, can we use eye glow? How many boxes should we consume? Mr. Vamshi Krishna, I would like to suggest you to use both Eye Slim Bar and eye glow. Well, after you get the Eye Slim Bar in around 10 days time, you can use both the products, because Eye Slim Bar, normally the stretch marks are related with the fat. Whenever there is spreading of the fat below the skin, the stretch marks usually happen. So I would suggest you to use both Eye Slim Bar as well as eye glow in this condition for getting the beneficial results. So the next question is by Mr. Boaz John. Can we suggest eye glow for psoriasis? Will a combination of eye pulse and eye glow work? Absolutely yes. I would suggest you to use eye pulse, 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. Psoriasis is an autoimmune disease. You should use eye pulse 2 times, half an hour after the food. Eye glow again after the food in the night, half an hour after the food itself. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So the next question is the last question of the day I am taking, Mr. Shiji Madhu. Actually, consumption twice daily after the food is right or wrong? Absolutely correct, Mr. Shiji Madhu. Eye glow should be consumed 1 in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after the dinner. I hope the point is clear to you. Before the food will not give much benefits for eye glow. After the food, the absorbability or the solubility of the product is enhanced, because of which the product works well. I hope my points are clear to everybody. So Vivites, as I told you, there is a link appearing below the chat box. Please do click the link and you shoot your questions there. Please do enter your email ID and password and your phone number there along with your name and your question. Our team will be able to answer each and every of your question. Thank you so much, Vivites, for your wholehearted participation. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk. Have a nice day ahead.